Mass is one of the most familiar ideas in physics. We meet it in Newton's laws, in Einstein's relativity, in quantum field theory, and in the Standard Model. But behind this familiar quantity hides a deeper question. Is mass something a particle simply has? Or is mass something that emerges through relationships, through interaction with something deeper? The standard answer is that mass is fundamental. In the Standard Model, many particles acquire mass through the Higgs field. This explanation works extremely well. Experiments confirm the Higgs mechanism, calculations match observation. The theory is remarkably successful, but the Higgs field mainly explains how much mass particles have. It does not fully explain what mass physically is. And this is where the mystery begins. Why does mass resist acceleration? Why are inertial mass and gravitational mass identical? And why does most of the mass in protons and neutrons come not from the Higgs field, but from internal energy and binding? These facts point towards something important. Mass may be more than an intrinsic property. Neutrinos make the question even more interesting. They have extremely tiny masses. They travel almost at the speed of light, and they change identity as they move. This does not look like a particle simply carrying mass as a fixed label. It looks more like mass emerging through interaction. In a relational view, the vacuum is not empty. It is a physical medium, structured, coherent, dynamic. When a particle accelerates, the vacuum must be reorganized. And if the vacuum resists that reorganization, we experience that resistance as inertia. Mass is no longer just something matter has. Mass becomes something that happens. So the deepest question changes. Not, why does this particle have mass? But how does this particle interact with a structured vacuum? And how strongly does the vacuum push back? Perhaps mass is not one of nature's most fundamental possessions. Perhaps mass is a relationship, a meeting between matter, motion, and a vacuum that is not empty, but quiet, structured, and always present.